One thing I also like about this is that we have a variability in the patterns. We have like dots of luminescence, we have the shape following the curve, but then we also have like a geometry where we have these lines. And in a way, I think that's kind of similar to how we would describe like the distribution of detail being one of the main elements of like environment design, where we have large shapes, medium shapes, and then small shapes, but where you would tend to have, you know, a more active amount of the smaller, slightly fewer of the mid, and then fewer of the large. And we can see that represented in many areas. So again, even coming closer to the frame of the camera, we could be reminded that environmentally, while we have high frequency details, we step up in the scale for different types of vegetation until we get to huge scales. So we can literally look up the gradient of the distribution of scale detail for objects. So if you are going to go into doing environment design, these are just principles to keep in mind. And the combinations of these things is very effective. So even without any like graphical rendering technology, if we just think about the mesh space, without any lighting, we know it would look interesting because of the distribution. But with our creative rendering and our limited color palette here, mixed with the volumetrics, they both combine into a nice, cohesive and beautiful environment.